Hello students, I am Dr. Sangeeta Singh from JDV Government Girls College Kota. I am going to teach you General English for BSc Part 1. Hello students, today we are beginning the second chapter of our textbook. This is a story written by Satyajit Ray. First, I'll tell you the summary of this story and then I'll read it out for you. Barin was suffering from kleptomania, but his own stuff was stolen by Pulak Chakravarti, the another kleptomaniac in the story, 9 years back. It was a coincidence that the two met once again in the similar situation in a train. Now we start the chapter with the introduction of the writer. I'll read it aloud for your convenience. Satyajit Ray was director, producer, screenwriter, composer, writer, and graphic designer. He was born in a distinguished family of Kolkata. His grandfather, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhary, was a well known children's story writer, while his father, Sukumar Roy, who died when Satyajit was just 3, was perhaps Bengal's most famous writer of nonsense verse and children's books. Satyajit completed his education from Ballygunge Government High School and Presidency College before going on to study art at Shantiniketan, but his great passions were films and western classical music. Starting his career as a commercial artist, he was later drawn into filmmaking. His very first film, Pather Panchali, won him international acclaim. He directed 37 films, including feature films and documentaries. Ray was awarded an honorary doctorate by Oxford University in 1978, the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1985, and the Legion of Honor by the President of France in 1987. The Government of India conferred on him the highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna, just before his death on April 23, 1992. The Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science awarded Ray an honorary Oscar for lifetime achievement. Though best known as a filmmaker of international stature, Ray also made a significant contribution to children's literature in Bengali. Most of his fiction was written for teenage children but became popular with adults also. His stories are uncomplicated and entertaining, his language being simple, clear, warm, and direct. He wrote detective stories, science fiction, and adventure stories. In 1988, the first collection of his detective stories featuring Feluda appeared in English translation and immediately became popular. A number of these stories have been made into films. So, in these three slides, we got a glimpse of the author's different aspects of personality and his special achievements. Therefore, read this portion carefully as you may have questions from this part also. Now we start the text. First slide of the text. Mr. Baron Bhomik got into compartment D as instructed by the conductor and placed his suitcase under his seat. He would not need to open it during his journey, but he must keep the other smaller bag somewhere within easy reach. It contained such essentials as a comb, a hairbrush, a toothbrush, his shaving kit, a book by James Hadley Chase to read on the way, and several other knickknacks, including throat pills. If the long journey, if the long train journey in a cold, air-conditioned compartment resulted in a sore throat, he would not be able to sing tomorrow. He quickly popped a pill into his mouth and put his bag on the small table before the window. In this opening slide or paragraph, the author Satyajit Ray introduces us to Baron Bhomik. He is a singer. Here we find him sitting in the compartment D and arranging his luggage for the journey. In this scene, he is alone in the compartment. Next slide. It was a Delhi bound vestibule train. There were only about 7 minutes left before its departure, and yet there were no signs of the other passengers. Would he be able to travel all the way to Delhi all alone? Could he indeed be so lucky? That would really be the height of luxury. The very idea brought a song to his lips. He looked out of the window at the crowd on the platform. Two young men were glancing at him occasionally. Clearly, he had been recognized. This was not a new experience. People often recognized him, for many were now familiar not just with his voice but also with his experience. He had to give live performances at. So, in this second slide, Barin wonders whether he will be so lucky as to travel alone in that compartment. The writer also indicates that people recognized Barin as a singer. They knew him by voice and appearance. Next slide. He had to give live performances at least half a dozen times every month. Listen to Baron Bhomik tonight. He will sing songs written by Nazrul as well as Adhunik. Money and fame both had come to Baron Bhomik in full measure. However, this had happened only over the last 5 years. Before that, he had had to struggle a lot. It was not enough to be talented singer. He needed a suitable break and proper backing. This came in 1963 when Bhola Da Bhola Banerjee invited him to sing in the Puja Pandal at Unishpalli. Baron Bhomik had not looked back since then. So, in this slide 3, in these lines, Ray tells us about Barin's struggle and how he got a break into this singing career. Now we will have a short look over the difficult word meanings in the portion of this text. So I give you a clip of glossary. Ailment means illness. Knick-knack means small items. Sore means painful. Vestibule, an enclosed space at the end of a railway carriage. Adhunik, modern Bengali songs. Boisterous, cheerfully, noisy. Leafing, running over the pages. Now we will be switching over to the part of questions. How many feature films and documentaries were directed by Satyajit Ray? The answer is he directed 37 films, which include both feature films and documentaries. Question number 2. Which author of your textbook was honored by Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1985? Naturally, the answer is Satyajit Ray. Third, which highest civilian award was conferred on Satyajit Ray by Indian government? The answer is Bharat Ratna. Fourth question, how did Satyajit Ray make a significant contribution to children's literature in Bengali? The answer is most of his fiction was written for teenage children. Fifth question, what type of stories did Satyajit Ray publish in 1988? The answer is detective stories. Sixth question, where did Baron Bhomik place his suitcase during his travel? The answer is under his seat. Question number 7. What type of things did Baron carry in his smaller bag? The answer is essential and small items. Question number 8. What was the idea that brought a song to the lips of Baron? The idea of traveling all alone in the compartment is the answer. Question number 9. Why were two young men glancing at Baron occasionally? Because they recognized Baron. This is the answer, that those two young men recognized Baron. Question number 10. For what reason did people recognize Baron? Answer is as a celebrity singer. Means people recognized Baron as a celebrity singer. Question number 11. What two assets Baron's profession brought to him? Answer is money and fame. Question number 12. Before 5 years, what was the status of Baron's career? Answer, he was a struggler trying to get a break into singing career. This is the part of questions. As this chapter is a long one, we will continue in the next session and many more. Thank you for being with me.